Hello everyone, I am Naren. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Python on Windows. So for that, you have to open Google Chrome and open a new tab and search for Google and open the Google Chrome, and here you have to install Python. This is the official website of Python, so click on this link. So here the latest version of Python is 3.8.2, but this version is not supporting for most of the Windows. So I am going to install Python 3.7.7. Here there are various versions of Python. So click on this download. So now click on this Windows 86 executable installer. If you are a 64-bit system user, then use this installer package, and I am going to use this installer package. So click on the save button to save the installer. So it starts downloading. After downloading, click on this installer. So I am going to click the run. So click on this install now. So it's installing. My system is a 32-bit system, so I am using the 32-bit installer. Yeah, it's installing. So the setup was successful. Yes, close button, and in the start, now go to start, you can find the ideally Python. Click it and the application will be open. So thank you. For more videos, subscribe to our channel.